Hello, Frank here on We Deserve It or We Deserve IT. On this video on how to create your own website with WordPress. You might want to grow your business or set up your own blog and have your own website, but you don't know how to do this. Let me tell you, like 25 to 30% of the web pages on the internet today are built on WordPress. So it's a pretty good tool which works and has proven to work on many resources. But before we start on this, and if you're new to this channel, first of all, very welcome to this channel, and subscribe down below to get more information about IT and how it can help you in your daily life or how it can help you growing your business. So make sure to subscribe and don't miss any videos, and also hit the bell notification next to the subscription down there, because if you don't hit the bell notification, YouTube will not tell you about new videos that are coming up, and you won't get notified. So make sure you get this. Let me give you some information about myself. If you're new to this channel, I'm an expert on IT for more than 20 plus years. I started my career on IT on my private computers with Windows 3.0 and MS-DOS. To those of you who still remember these days, very welcome. But even if you don't remember, it's quite a while. And on this channel, I will give you my honest opinion about tools that are available on the market in regards to IT, from how to set up your own web page, about IT security, antivirus, hardware and computers you might want to buy, and you get my honest review and opinion about these products and services. That's for right now. So for these introductions and for the newcomers to this channel, let's dive into this, how to set up your own web page with WordPress and why you should do this. If you have your own business, even a very small company, you should have a website today. And now it's so easy creating your own website that it would be a shame really if you miss out this opportunity. WordPress is really easy to use now, even with a WYSIWYG editor, so which means what you see is what you get. You can just drag and drop and write your blogs or your content directly on the web page that is created. And setting up WordPress is pretty simple, really. It doesn't require a lot of technical information, doesn't require a lot of technical skills. You should have some technical skills, but you don't need a lot. So it's pretty easy to do so. If you are into WordPress and if you want to set up your own website on WordPress, use my link down below for A2 Web Hosting. That's where my WordPress site is hosted, and I like them very much. It's really, really a good service what they offer. So make sure to check out their website and use my link below. It's in the description box. The good thing really about A2 Web Hosting is if you have any problems, just contact the customer support or the help desk, and they really help you out on setting up whatever is required from your end. Also, they provide managed service, so you can just let them know, hey, I want this new email address or whatsoever. But also in other regards, they're really helpful. So make sure to check out their website. The link is below. And now let's dive into this and see how you can set up your own website on WordPress just by logging in and setting up a new site pretty simple. So let me share my screen with you, and right now let's see how we set up a WordPress website on A2 hosting. First of all, you go to the login page and log in with your username. So this is the homepage of A2 hosting. You can see what they are providing here. So you see here the shared hosting. That's what you need, what we are talking about now. Starts on $3.92 per month, also giving 51% off. So this $3.92, this is really less than a cappuccino at any coffee shop. So if you don't want to invest this on a monthly basis, just per month, how often do you have a coffee in a coffee shop? So this $3.92 for a page is really a fair price, I think, or it's more than a fair price. So log in, and then this is your home page when you log in, and you see what is available on this hosting. There are lots of services available. I don't want to dig too deep into these things, but you can see there's file manager, backup, which is also important for any website. You can set directory privacies, FTP connections. This is all more technical stuff. Pretty important is also search engine optimization. You find tools there as well. WordPress themes that are already optimized for search engine optimization. And email, of course, you can set up your email accounts, create forwarders, email routing rules, autoresponder, mailing list, lots of other things. But right now we want to go directly to WordPress. So you click here on the WordPress script and you end up here. So this is for the WordPress installer. WordPress is already installed on my site, and I just click here on the admin page, on the admin button here, and this brings me directly to my WordPress dashboard. As you can see on the dashboard, it already gives you the most important information on what you want to do next. But we start with our website. So you need a domain, of course. So like wedeserveit.com, or then your name, whatever your brand is. You need the domain, and you can also register this on the web hosting page. So starting right from the beginning, if you want to check, you go to Appearance and select a theme. A theme is basically the design of the web page, how you want your page to look like. So I installed 4 themes on my site, but there are many other sites available. If you click here on Add New, you find a list of available themes. Some here are featured. We got 15 featured, but also you can check here on the popular. We got 200 popular themes, and it's easy just to check out what your website should look like. Let's scroll down here a bit so that you get an idea what might fit your design or your demands for your website. If you need any information about this website, let's pick one. This one is nice. It's already also has a calendar on the site. You see what the page would look like. Here it's little information about the theme. Here you see the menu and what the different types would look like, what a heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 looks like, what paragraphs, how lists are looking like, and forms as well. If you like this theme, then you just install it here and it's available on the dashboard. Now like the ones here that are installed on my computer. Once you picked a theme or a design, how you want your website to look like, you go back to the dashboard and start by customizing your site. Just click here, and here you already see what is available on this site by default. Here you set things like the title, taglines. Here you can pick colors. And you see it's really easy to use. You can pick the images, what you want to have on the header, background images, menu, what the menu should look like, the top menu. Here we got home, services, review videos, and contact. That's it, basically. Another thing what you might want to do is creating a form, for example in the contact page, a contact form where people just put in their names and send you a message. Would look like contact. You can check it out on my website. If I click on it here, it would help. You just see here the contact form. And it's very simple but effective. Now this is picked here on WP forms. WP is for WordPress. WordPress forms. Add new, and then you can create your new form, whatever you like. You might have realized when I open my web page here that there are certain things that you see here. Now when I'm logged in, when you look at my page, you wouldn't see these menus. This is because I'm logged in on WordPress as administrator, and so I can edit this page directly here. If you would like to change, please send us your feedback and comments. It's very, very much appreciated. If I would like to add, thank you very much. I just click here on the edit and just type thank you very much and click here on the update button. I see a preview. It's updating, saving, and now it's done. So if we open here a new tab, we deserve it. One chef only. And we go to the contact. You see here, thank you very much. So it's that easy to update your website. Same with if you want to change anything in the form or change pictures or anything else. Also here on the blog, my blog page, if you want to edit a blog or add a new one, it's pretty easy. Just click here on new post, you can add new media, forms, users. Users are the ones that are allowed to manage your website. And then here you will find your blog, and you can the same easily change things here on the blog. Just by clicking there, and then you can change things. Just type it in, and what you see is what you get. Pretty easy and simple to use for me. I love WordPress. It makes it so easy to create a new website. And if you like it as well, you're more than welcome to sign up. If you have any questions on how to set up your WordPress website, leave a comment in the comment box, ask me your questions, and I will answer it personally, or use my contact form on the website. As you have just seen, it's wedeserveit.com and then contact. I will also add the link in the description box. Also, if you like more information about additional products that are coming up, additional reviews, maybe about some deeper insights about how to build your website with WordPress, how to build your blog with WordPress, how to grow your business using IT, register here with your email address, and you will be notified about new videos that are coming up, new blogs that are coming up. I promise it won't be too much, but I hope it gives you useful information. So that's it for today. Thanks very much. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification. And if you want to register your own domain and your own WordPress website, use my link in the comment box, in the description box below. Thanks very much, and have a great day ahead.